An F90 M5 here today, and it's been experiencing problems where it won't go into 8th speed on the gearbox. Now, it will go into 8th speed when it's cold, but as soon as it starts warming up, then it drops back down to 7. And despite what he does and how far the customer drives, it will continuously go into 7th gear. He can manually put it over on the gearbox on the manual to 8th. It stays in 8th and sometimes comes out. So we've obviously checked the gear oil level, programmed the car already, still got the issue, so it's something that we're working on. It's going to be interesting to see what we find. But the gear oil levels are good, the adaptions on the gearbox are good, the programming software is good. So got a few other bits and pieces we need to try out. Could be a speed sensor or something, but watch this space. So we're going to go back into it with this still. We're going to have a quick look and see if the engine for some reason is keeping the OPF in regeneration mode, because that will try to raise the revs to increase the temperature. So we need to check that out. Maybe we'll try the engine adaptions as well. Failing that, then we're going to have to start going a bit further into the gearbox. So the M5 came in obviously with a gear change problem, not going into 8th gear. So eventually what we've done after checking the gearbox oil level, checking the adaptions and whatnot, we reprogrammed both the engine control unit, the DMEs, and also the gearbox with also the transfer box. So that readapted it, took it down the road. It now goes into 8th gear at about 50 miles an hour, as it should do. So it's sort of a lesson to be had really here, because whilst the software is at fault, by reprogramming it again with BMW Ista and genuine software has eradicated the faults. In a lot of instances, faults are down to software. So by having a garage who can use the BMW software straight away, and genuinely we subscribe to BMW, means that we can do hopefully a one-time fix.